Every year, colleges set higher enrollment targets, but only very few colleges meet the numbers. Advertising, outreach, back and forth communication, loads of inquiries, applications, transcripts, everything takes in a lot of time and effort. Too many, the whole admission process is still done manually. Is there a way out to add effectiveness to the admissions process? An efficient and transparent admissions process starts with us. Introducing Creatrix Campus Admissions and Enrollment module, designed to lend an extra hand to most of your tough admission-related processes. Automates the admission process. Identifies best fit applicants. Configure clear routing. Candidates to manage applications online. Online evaluation. Stores the entire data. Statistical data for informed decisions. Track performance and drive results. Configurable admission rules. Flexible cloud-based system. Are you ready for the change? Learn more at Creatrix Campus or email at info@creatrixcampus.com.